Hello everyone, welcome back to Draw Info channel. This video series is about Illustrator tutorial for beginner. So let's get started. So now in this tutorial we are going to see gradient tool. Keyboard shortcut for this gradient tool is G. Press the G, gradient tool will get activated over here. Another way of activating this gradient tool is go and simply select this gradient tool. So now I'm going to show you practical use of gradient tool. So once you are in blank artboard, I'm going to create one shapes over here. So now I am going to create polygon tool. I can draw over in this canvas. So see, this is the polygon tool we have drawn over here. So now we want to apply gradient effect to this. So what we need to do, we need to simply press the G and we need to click on it. So once you press the G and you click on it, this will get changed into gradient. Now it's by default take very simple black and white gradient. Now if you want to modify this gradient, so this Adobe CC have lot of advanced level features which you can use for this gradient tool, and you can modify your gradient like angles and the colors, anything very quickly and very effectively. So I'm going to show you how you can do. Now the first thing, you want to rotate this gradient, you can easily rotate that. To going this, if you see this black square over here, and if you go over here you will get this rotation activated and you can rotate this gradient so as you want. See, I have rotated this gradient and it's always rotated from this point, so you can copy this point anywhere, and now if you want to rotate you can rotate again. So once you rotate it, directly jump to that particular position. So how this gradient is appears, and if you want to move this gradient you can easily click and drag it, and you can change the place of your gradient. You can keep anywhere on the, you can change the location on it. Now if you want to change the color, so what you need to do, this is the round over here and one more round over here. So by default you see it's white color selected and it is black color selected over here. So what you need to do, you need to double click of this and you will get this color panel open over here. Here you will find multiple options also. Another one is color picker, and this is swatches, and this is color. So here you can change the color over here to the percentage wise. Here you have these swatches. So I'm going to select the yellow color over here. So you see the yellow color is getting applied over here, and once you apply you need to click here, so that window will go off. Now if you want to change this black color, so you need to double click over here and you can go and change this color. So this is the way you can change the gradient. Now if you want to change the position of this gradient, so you can move it circle anywhere, and once you select this, it's get activated over here and you can easily. So now you need to change this merging point, so that also you can move it. Now if you want to add one more color over here, so you see if you go over here, the plus icon is coming over here. As you click that, you can get one more color circle over here. By default it's take the in between whatever the colors is over there. So if you double click, and you can change this color into any color. So you see now I'm able to change this color. So this is the way you can add how many colors in between this. You can change the position, you can rotate that. So the rotation you can do. So this is the very advanced level of the gradient tool in CC. So this is the way you can work very easily, or you can create any effect or any kind of gradient very quickly, and you can modify that all as well as. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification about all new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.